This video is not sponsored by Coca-Cola. I just wanted to show off my new Katie Shindig cup.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today I am back with another Nadine West unboxing. So for those of you that are new here and don't know how Nadine West works, you pay $10 shipping for however often you want a bag, and that is all you pay until you get your clothes, and then you try them on and you keep what you want, and that $10 gets credited towards what you want. I will have quite a few discount codes linked down below if y'all would like to try them. One for free shipping, one for $10 off. I think there's one for 25% or $25 off, something like that. So check down below and see the coupon codes. Without further ado, let's unbox. One bundle. Ooh, I see floral. This one looks like it broke. Definitely. My return card for whatever I don't want, like to ship it back. I just put it on the same envelope, and my price sheet. I think we are gonna start with the one that's busted open, just because it's open. So we have a shirt, a pair of jeans, and a pair of like slack looking pants. If you guys saw my last Nadine West, you saw it was the first time that the pants ever fit me, and it was actually 2 out of 3 pairs that fit me. So I'm a lot more hopeful about these. So without further ado, let's try them on. Hey guys, so this is the Brinley bottom for $39.99. I feel like that price is kind of up there, especially for Nadine West. But they're these legging type material pants that have like a pattern like trouser. I actually really like them, but I do not know. I'm a huge fan of these pants actually. I think they'd be really good for work with just like a plain top. Next, we have this Alyssa bottom for $27.99. I am such a big fan of these pants. They fit me so well. They look so good. They're semi-ripped up, but not completely. They have a stretchy waistband, which I have realized I love. I'm so excited that Nadine West pants are fitting me. So excited, and these look awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these. So with the Brinley bottoms, I went ahead and threw on this Victoria top for $24.99. I am such a fan of these together. The thing I have been loving, other than the pants finally fitting me at Nadine West, is I feel like I'm getting outfits, and outfits that I actually wear together when they come together, and that's just like so exciting. Like, this looks so cute that I could wear this to work. And look at this. It's not just like a plain top. It has a little like shoulder detail, so it's still a little spicy. Maybe just a smidgen. So yeah, this is so cute. Also in that bundle, we had a pair of earrings. These earrings are the Leah earrings, and they are $14.99. I'm not a big fan. I don't really like that they have gold and silver, and I feel like they're not like, I'm just not a big fan. So I am not going to be keeping these earrings. I'm going to be sending them back. In the next bundle, we have a dress and either another dress or a top. I can't tell, but let's try them on. Guys, I am in love. This is a maxi dress. This is the Francie's dress for $23.99. Look at this. It has a pretty like olive green floral pattern, a nice v-neck, but even like when you frump over you don't see everything. Sleeves, it has like little ankle slits. It's not long on me. If y'all need reference, I'm like 5'2", and it just grazes the top of my feet. This is the perfect thing for me. I feel like I'm about to go make that TikTok where it like freezes and you have that background, and I'm wearing this dress. Oh my gosh. I am in love with this dress. You can't tell me this isn't beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, this is the Tiffany top for $24.99. Once again, I just went ahead and put it on with the Brindley jeans that came in this box, and they go together so well. So I have another Nadine West outfit that came together. Yeah, I think this top is so cute. For $24.99, it's definitely worth it. This is so girly and flowy, and that's just like my vibe. And I just feel like the more you interact with their website, the better their clothes get. Like, this is so me. And it's a whole outfit. Like, the only thing they don't have is shoes. And to be honest, I wish they did have shoes. But, yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for this Nadine West video. I hope you enjoyed. I know that I certainly did. I thought that this box was amazing, and so just like girly and flowy and cute. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more Nadine West unboxings. It's my favorite thing to do. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to keep seeing me, and thumbs up this video. I would really appreciate it. It really helps support my channel. And don't forget to check out the discount codes down below if you would like to try Nadine West. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Cheers!